5054 Vermilion Lane, scoping the sewer line after repair at the outside cleanouts. 40 foot to the city sewer, we'll call it 41. That's our tap connection into the main. This is PVC piping. It's a plastic material. There's our connection to the new material. You can see that there is no more tree roots there. We'll go the other way and get a picture up that way also. So last time you had some tree root intrusion right at the bottom of this clean out. So we dug that up and got it fixed. You can see there's no more roots. And then tying on to the piping underneath the house there, which is ABS piping. It's also a plastic material. And this was our repair. And that stuff you see there on the side is just a little bit of that pipe dope we use to squeeze those joints together. .5054 Vermilion Lane. Sewer line has been repaired, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time.